Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the missing error of file privilege. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all we'll just open here our Steam as an administrator. Okay, so here we have to launch as administrator. So here we have to stop this module. You can just see as IGFXEMN. Okay, this module we have to end the task. Then we have to delete the Steam cache memory. Okay, we can just delete your cache memory. Okay, then you have to check your Steam's download settings like this. Okay, all have to check the all settings, it is okay. So then you have to check the game file integrity, like you have to check the install file. Let's check the file, verify integrity. And then sixth is your repair the file library. If you have any missing file, so you can just repair the library, or if it does not work, so you can just reinstall the game from there. So you can just uninstall and then install it, the game. So this is all we can just fix the missing file privilege in your Steam. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.